being in a hurry.
Eva, what time is it?
It is almost 8 o'clock in the morning.
Oh no, I am so late.
Late for what?
I have a big meeting at work today.
You really need to leave right now.
I know, but I have a big problem.
What is the problem?
I cannot find my car keys.
Your car keys?
Yes. Have you seen them anywhere?
Let me think. Where did you put them yesterday?
I do not remember at all.
Did you leave them on the kitchen table?
I checked the table. They are not there.
How about your jacket pocket?
That is a good idea. Let me check.
Are they in the pocket?
No, the pocket is completely empty.
You are acting very frantic right now.
Frantic? What does that word mean?
It means you are rushing and feeling panicked.
You are right. I am definitely frantic.
Take a deep breath. We will find them.
I cannot breathe. My boss will be angry.
Panic will not help you find the keys.
I know. But my brain is not working well.
Let us retrace your steps from last night.
Retrace my steps? What does that mean?
It means thinking about where you walked yesterday.
Okay. I walked through the front door.
Good. What did you do next?
I took off my shoes by the door.
Let us go look near your shoes.
I am walking to the front door now.
Do you see the keys on the floor?
No, I only see my black shoes.
Wait. Look on the small shelf by the door.
Oh my goodness. There they are.
See? You just needed to calm down.
Thank you so much, Eva. You saved me.
You are welcome. Do you have your wallet?
Oh no, where is my wallet?
Are you missing your wallet too?
Yes, I need my wallet to buy lunch.
You really need a better system, Adam.
I agree. But right now, I need my wallet.
Is it in your other trousers?
Let me run to the bedroom and check.
Be careful. Do not trip and fall.
I am looking in the closet right now.
Did you find the trousers from yesterday?
Yes, I am checking the back pocket.
Is the wallet inside?
Uh, yes, I found my wallet.
That is great news. Are you ready to go?
Almost. I cannot find my briefcase.
Your briefcase is sitting right on the sofa.
Oh. I walked right past it 3 times.
Because you are in such a hurry.
Being in a hurry makes me blind to things.
It makes you stressed and very confused.
I have everything now. Keys, wallet, and briefcase.
Please drive safely on your way to work.
I will. I promise not to rush on the road.
That is very important. Safety comes first.
You know, I learned a lesson today.
What lesson did you learn?
Being in a hurry only creates more problems.
That is a very true statement.
Tomorrow, I will prepare my things at night.
That is a brilliant idea.
If I prepare at night, I will not panic.
Preparation brings peace to your morning.
Exactly. A peaceful morning is a good morning.
Have a great day at your meeting.
Thank you, Eva. I will see you tonight.
Having a lazy afternoon.
I am finally home from work.
Welcome back. You look very tired.
I am exhausted. Today was a very long day.
You should sit down on the sofa.
That sounds like a wonderful plan.
Let me take your jacket for you.
Thank you. You are very kind.
What do you want to do this afternoon?
Honestly, I want to do absolutely nothing.
Doing nothing sounds perfect to me too.
Let us have a lazy afternoon together.
I love that idea. No work allowed.
Should we watch a movie on television?
No, a movie requires too much attention.
You are right. I just want to sit here.
Would you like a cup of hot tea?
Yes, please. Tea sounds very relaxing.
I will go to the kitchen and make some.
Make sure it is chamomile tea, please.
Why do you want chamomile tea?
Because chamomile helps people unwind.
Unwind? What does that word mean?
It means to relax after a stressful time.
Oh, I understand. I definitely need to unwind.
The hot water is boiling. I can hear it.
I am pouring the water into the cups now.
Please be careful. The water is very hot.
I am bringing the tea to the living room.
Put the cups on the small table.
Okay. Now I am sitting down next to you.
This sofa is so soft and comfortable.
It feels nice to just rest our bodies.
Look out the window, Eva.
The weather outside is very gray and cloudy.
It is the perfect weather for a lazy day.
I agree. We do not need to go outside.
We can just stay inside where it is warm.
This tea smells absolutely delicious.
Take a small sip. Is it too hot?
It is a little hot. I will blow on it.
Take your time. We have no plans today.
It feels strange to not be busy.
We are usually always running around.
Yes. We always have errands to do.
Errands? Can you explain that word?
Errands are small tasks you must do outside.
Like going to the bank or the supermarket.
Exactly. Those are common errands.
Well, we have 0 errands today.
My body feels so heavy right now.
That means your muscles are finally relaxing.
I might even fall asleep right here.
You can take a nap if you want to.
A short nap sounds very lovely.
I will just sit quietly and drink my tea.
Do you feel bored doing nothing?
Not at all. I feel very peaceful.
I am glad we decided to be lazy today.
Sometimes being lazy is not a bad thing.
What do you mean by that?
I mean, our bodies need time to recover.
That is true. We cannot work all the time.
Resting gives us energy for the next day.
So, a lazy afternoon is actually good for health.
Yes, rest is a very important part of life.
I will remember that lesson always.
Now, close your eyes and enjoy the quiet.
I will. This is the best afternoon ever. Getting ready for bed.
Wow, it is getting very late.
Look at the clock. It is almost 10.
The sky outside is completely dark.
I am starting to feel very sleepy.
Me too. I just yawned 3 times.
It is time to start our evening routine.
Routine? What is a routine?
A routine is a set of actions you do regularly.
Like things we do every night before sleep.
Exactly. It helps our bodies know it is bedtime.
That makes a lot of sense to me.
First, we need to lock up the house.
I will go check the front door right now.
Make sure the deadbolt is turned all the way.
The front door is securely locked.
Thank you. I will check the back door.
Is the back door locked too?
Yes, everything is safe and secure.
Now we need to turn off the lights.
Let us turn off the living room lights first.
I am flipping the switch now. It is dark.
Good. We do not want to waste electricity.
Should I leave the hallway light on?
No. Turn off the hallway light too.
Huh? Okay. The house is very quiet now.
Do you have your clothes ready for tomorrow?
Not yet. I need to pick them out.
You should do that now. It saves time.
I will choose a blue shirt and black trousers.
I will lay out my dress for work tomorrow.
It feels good to be prepared.
Yes, it makes the morning much easier.
What is the next step in our routine?
We need to set the alarm clock.
Oh, right. What time do we wake up?
We need to wake up at 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock is very early in the morning.
Yes, but we must go to work.
I am setting the alarm for 6 right now.
Please double check that it is turned on.
I see the small alarm icon. It is on.
Excellent. Now we can go to the bathroom.
We still have to brush our teeth.
Yes, personal hygiene is very important before bed.
Getting ready for bed takes many steps.
It does, but every step is very useful.
I feel like my brain is slowly calming down.
That is the magic of a good bedtime routine.
It tells the brain that the day is over.
Exactly. Now we can let go of our worries.
Preparation helps us sleep without feeling stressed.
A calm mind brings a very deep sleep.
I am ready to head to the bathroom now.
Let us go together. The bed is waiting for us.
Great work today. Keep going. Every lesson helps you improve your English. I'm excited to see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun lessons. Keep learning and see you again soon.